Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Unplug the washer and close water valves because safety first. Remove the top or front access panel with a Phillips screwdriver, set screws aside in a tray, and clear working space. You want full visibility. Next, open the washer door and locate the lock assembly on the front right edge. Take a clear photo of the wiring harness so you won't mix connectors later. Once done, press the door switch to confirm where the lock sits. This saves time during reassembly. Now you remove the old lock. Depress the wiring harness tab and pull the connector straight out. Don't pry sideways, you'll bend pins. Unscrew the lock module fasteners, keeping them organized by position. Some washers use 2 or 3 screws, so note each one. Slide the latch actuator free and work the lock out through the door opening, easing it past the bezel. If it resists, check for hidden clips. Replace any broken tabs before fitting the new module to ensure secure seating. Install the new lock by aligning it in the bezel and threading screws snugly. Hand tight then a quarter turn with a driver. Over-tightening can crack the housing. Reconnect the wiring harness using your photo for orientation and secure any retaining clips. Close the door and run a quick drain or lock test cycle to verify operation. You should hear a click and see the control register the door locked state. If it fails, check connector pins for continuity. Confirm voltage at the harness and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.